The Guardian's Choice. We always try to help you to choose the right products. Guardian's Choice presents the 10 best dethatchers. Let's get started with the list. Starting at our listed number 10. The AgriFab Electric 450472 is suitable for yards up to 1,000 square feet. While it does a good job of picking up dead plant matter without disturbing living grass, it doesn't seem particularly durable. On the plus side, it's easy to assemble and disassemble for storage. The handle is well cushioned, and it's easy to maneuver. However, its path is only 14 inches wide. Next on our list at number 9. The Gardena 3395 is designed to be attached to the company's combi system handles. It has a supporting axle that allows you to expend less effort than traditional manual models, and robust wheels that should last through years of regular use. It feels very sturdy, the tines dig into soil easily. But the depth is not adjustable. Coming in at number 8 on our list. The AgriFab 450294 is a 40-inch tow-behind model designed to work with almost any tractor. It does a great job of loosening heavy debris and compacted dirt to enhance drainage, and is well suited to commercial use or those with large lawns. It's equipped with sturdy heat-treated tines, and manufactured in the USA. However, it takes a long time to assemble. Our newest choices can only be seen, the Guardian's Choice, or simply click beneath this video to visit. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome videos like this. Next on our listed number 7. If you already own the company's cultivator, the Earthquake DK43 is a good choice. It attaches to it easily, giving your machine more versatility, and makes short work of dead grass and weeds that may be starving your yard of oxygen. It's easy to pick up and put in a truck, and powers through wet grass. But note that the instructions must be downloaded. Moving up our listed number 6. The Trooper 32120 True Tough is about as basic as they come, but it gets the job done effectively with a bit of elbow grease. Its 19-tooth head is mounted on a North American ashwood handle that is lacquered to improve its strength and durability. The angle is adjustable, and includes a 10-year replacement warranty. However, the handle doesn't have any soft grip or padding. Half up our list at number 5. The Mantis 7321 is designed to attach to the company's tiller cultivators and has 60 strong, yet flexible, steel tines that grab at brush and weeds without ripping up your grass in the process. It covers a 15-inch swath in each pass to help you get the job done quickly. It comes with an aerator, and it's a commercial quality construction. It requires some strength to operate. At number 4. The Brinly DT40BH connects to most ride-on mowers and lawn tractors to make tidying up yards effortless. It features 2 rows of flexible tines that pick up a large amount of dead matter, and has 3 operational modes that can be controlled from your seat. It's easy to remove collected material, and assembly doesn't take much time. It can be used with or without a weight. Our newest choices can only be seen, the Guardian's Choice, or simply click beneath this video to visit. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome videos like this. Nearing the top of our listed number 3. The Sunjoe AJ801E starts reliably with the push of a button, and its electric motor is maintenance-free, eliminating the need for tune-ups. Conveniently, it is equipped with a collection bag, so you don't have to go back and pick up all the debris afterwards. It comes with 5 depth settings. Tines stay sharp for a long time, and the Scarifier roller. At number 2. The AMES 2915100 is equipped with a 10-inch long cushioned grip at the end of its pole that makes it easy to maintain a secure hold on it as you work. Its hardwood handle is strong enough to not flex if you need to add some pressure as you clear your lawn. It's equipped with self-cleaning tines and have adjustable head. It's a durable steel construction. And, taking the top spot on our list, the Greenworks 27022 is a powerful and eco-friendly electric model. It has a good amount of padding on its adjustable handle, making it comfortable for lengthy jobs, and its stainless steel tines can be adjusted through 3 depths, depending on your needs. It comes in a corded or cordless option, and doesn't take much effort to push. It includes a set of replacement tines. Our newest choices can only be seen, the Guardian's Choice, or simply click beneath this video to visit. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome videos like this.